When it starts getting hot outside and you're looking for a way to cool off in your backyard and you're dreaming of a luxury pool, resort style pool, probably not realistic, but in today's video we're going to go over a quick little 8-foot pool that can easily cool off yourself and your family. So let's get into it. Pretty nice. What's up YouTube? My name is Josh and this is All Kinds of Stuff, and I wanted to just do a quick review of the Intex Easy Set 8-foot pool. This is a very durable 3-ply material, and as far as assembly, as you can see on the box, it says it takes about 10 minutes. All you got to do is inflate the ring here and then begin filling it up with water after you spread it out. This thing is a pretty big pool. It holds around 639 gallons of water. As far as what comes in the box, guys, you get all the hosing if you want to run a filtration system on it, with all the different little adapters and everything you need for that. It does not come with the filter in the box. However, you can get like 1,000 gallons per hour filter for about another $65 to $70. As far as the pool itself, we got it on sale on Amazon for around $60. I'll have a link in the description down below. But let's just go ahead and take a look at it. Like I was saying, you can just inflate this upper ring right here. Once that's inflated, you spread out the pool itself, and then you begin filling it up, and it took about an hour and a half to fill up. But yeah, I mean, you can see this is very nice and durable, and I'm gonna get my daughter out here after it warms up a little bit. These little pieces here, these are where the filtration system goes. It shows kind of which goes where, and we've got the plugs. It comes with some little plastic plugs that you can put on the inside of the pool. I don't know if that camera will pick it up, but it's way down there. So we've got all these plugged off here, and then there's one over here. And then as far as draining it, you can easily, just push this down and let the water spill over. Otherwise, there is a drain down below here. Yeah, let's go find Julia, my 6-year-old. Let's hop in the pool. This is what she was playing with before. This thing is just not big enough. This was like a little doggy durable swimming pool that we bought because we got tired of buying those little like $30 inflatable pools that are kind of made out of material like this. You use them like once or twice, and then they have a hole, they leak, and they don't work anymore. So that's why we went with this thicker tarp material. This is 3 different layers. It's going to be very durable, and the only thing you got to be careful for is the top ring, which is really protected by the tarp here. So I think that this is going to be pretty cool. So, and I really like how they finish the inside of the tarp material on the pool. It kind of looks like a tile with grout, so it kind of gives you the effect of a pool. But yeah, this is really nice. It's going to be a lot of fun for the summer. It does come with a full instructions manual in the box that tells you everything about it, how to do the pump and everything, and how it all works. It also comes with some nice signs that you can put like on your sliding glass door to let people know, hey, that we got a pool outside, watch out for your kids. It also comes with a patch. If you get a hole, so you can do a little patch. So if you guys are running into the same problem that we keep having, as we keep buying an inexpensive pool that's made out of like 3 different little layers of that you fill up, and then after like 1 or 2 times with the kids and the dogs and everything else, you deflate it, you go back to refill it, and then it's flat within like a couple of hours. So we used to have a 5-foot version of this with our son, who's now 18, back in the day when he was like 3 years old. And we had it for about 4 or 5 years, and it was a good pool, so we decided to get ourselves a bigger one so Julia can play, right Julia? Big thumbs up. Are you super excited to have your friends over? Yep. So if you guys are searching for a pool that is durable, it's big enough for the kids to play in, splash around in the backyard, have fun, still small enough to drain once a week where it's not going to kill the grass, I think we found it. So let's go ahead and let's hop in, let's take a look at it. And if you guys like these types of videos, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button down below. It helps me make more content like this. And also leave me a comment down below if you've had this pool. Let me know what you think. And you guys leave me some comments on the filter. If you guys have purchased this pool and you've installed the filter, is it worth it, or should I think I could just run it like this, leave it for a week, maybe get like a little bromine floater and stick it in here just to keep the bacteria levels down, and then just drain it once a week, move it that way I'm not killing my grass. So guys, fast forward about a week and a half later, I left the pool on the grass for about 6 days, and it did kill your grass. So it did kill my grass. You can see where it basically got no air down to this, and it basically all died. So we moved it onto the patio. If that's something you guys are considering, hey, is it gonna harm my grass after about a week? Yes, it will. And I wanted to shoot a little video with the cover on it this morning so you guys can kind of see what that looks like. That helps keep the flies and the bugs and stuff out of it. But cover comes off just like this. And we've got the nice pool, which has been kind of warming up here for the last few days. And you can feel the warm water on the top, and then as you go down it gets a little cooler, so that helps it warm up. And here we go. So let's get Julia in the pool. Let's show her play and show how this thing is with the kids. And we just put a little tarp down below here just to give it a higher probability of not getting damaged on the concrete. How's the water? You feel the warm water on the top from where the cover was on? Pretty cool, huh? What do you think, Julia? How's the depth?
Good.
Okay, show people how deep it is when you sit down. Wow. What about all the way on your butt? So just perfect for you to play and have fun, right? Show them how you do a little swim. All right. Julia's going to show us how she cleans the stuff out of the pool with her little net, so you can easily maintain it. If you don't have a cover, I'd recommend getting a little net for a few dollars. So I have a link for the net in the description down below, as well as the pool of where we ordered it on Amazon. That's fun, right? Is this your favorite pool so far that you've had, Julia? Okay, show us the squirt gun, what you can do with it. Wow, that's pretty cool. You guys can see when this thing's fully inflated. It's very nice and padded. This is a thicker rubber, so it's durable, unlike those other little chintzy pools where these things always pop and then your pool's flat. And yeah, this is it's fun. Let's make a little wave pool, and then we'll close out today's video. This is what I like to do with Julia. Put my foot on it. There you go. So we kind of have a little bit of fun with it. But there you have it, guys. If you're considering getting the 8-foot Intex pool, I think it's perfect size. There's a 10-foot model, which would just be a little bit too big, I think, for our backyard. So this is just big enough for my daughter Julia, who's 6, to have fun. I've jumped in it and played with it myself, and you guys probably don't want to see it on camera. My other kids, 15 and 17, have been in it. We all, kind of fit in there and have fun. And Sawyer, yeah. So if you're looking for something that's durable, good for the kids, something that you can use more than 1 or 2 times before it pops and breaks, for $60, I definitely recommend it. And let me know what you think in the comments down below, and smash the thumbs up if you like this type of content, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.